Guide on using Android's Quick Tap feature. Discover the convenience of Quick Tap, a clever feature enabling you to effortlessly open apps or execute actions with a double tap on the back of your Google Pixel phone. If you've recently acquired a Pixel 8 or Pixel 8 Pro, make the most of this feature, complementing it with other exclusive Pixel phone functionalities. Learn how to utilize Quick Tap, also known as the double tap gesture, with helpful tips. Additionally, we introduce you to various navigation tools inherent in Pixel phones. Activating and using Quick Tap on your Pixel phone. Follow these steps on a Pixel phone running Android 14. For older Android versions, utilize the Settings app search bar to locate Quick Tap. 1. Open the Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap System. 3. Choose Gestures. 4. Tap Quick Tap to initiate actions. 5. Turn on the Use Quick Tap switch. 6. By default, Quick Tap is set to play and pause media. Test it by double-tapping the back of your phone while playing music. What Quick Tap can do. Quick Tap can trigger various actions. Customize these from the Quick Tap settings page. Take a screenshot. Activate Google Assistant. Play or pause media. View recent apps, swiping up. Check notifications, swiping down. Toggle the flashlight. Open an app. Explore the Open App option to discover specific actions within supported apps. Uninstalling an app disables Quick Tap for that app until reactivated. Tips for using Quick Tap. 1. Adjust tap sensitivity. If accidental activations occur, turn on the Require Stronger Tap switch. Apply stronger force, preferably holding your finger down on the second tap. 2. Use a case. Depending on case thickness, Quick Tap may still work. Consider turning off the Require Stronger Taps switch for better recognition. 3. Pair with one-handed mode. Activate one-handed mode in the Gestures menu for enhanced usability.